Namaskar friends, I would like to give my few views about IPM and natural farming. There are many definitions given by me on different occasions about IPM. A single line definition of IPM is to get rid of from pest problems with minimum expenditure, minimum use of chemicals in farming with least or without disturbance of community health, ecosystem, environment, biodiversity, nature and society. This is the single line definition. The main theme of IPM is to get rid of the pest problem with minimum expenditure and least disturbance to the nature and society. This is the single line definition. So IPM is not confined only up to the plant protection, but it is beyond the plant protection also. And it is extended to all aspects of life, nature and society through different farming systems, methods and devices. IPM is also a way of farming without harming to the nature and society. These are the small single line definitions of IPM. There is a big definition of IPM given by me. It will be in the next few slides. IPM is a super integrated concept. Earlier it was called as only integrated concept, but in my opinion it is not integrated concept, but it is a super integrated concept of farming which includes different concepts and aspects related with the crop production, protection, management, trade and marketing from seed to the end use of crop produce or crop commodity or agriculture commodity. Let us promote IPM and natural farming to make agriculture farming or to make agriculture self-reliance and self-dependent, and also to enhance the farmer's income. IPM and natural farming helps to reduce or to stop the use of chemicals, pesticides and fertilizers in the agriculture, and also restore the damaged agroecosystem damaged due to indiscriminate use of chemicals in agriculture. Nature and society altogether makes agroecosystem or ecosystem. And the study of this ecosystem is called as ecology. A strong ecology make a strong economy. Whatsoever we are seeing around us and it is related with our self, it is called as ecosystem. A strong ecosystem means strong economy. IPM is a super integrated concept of farming, and natural farming is an improved version of IPM. Natural farming is an improved version of IPM. It is also IPM, but it is improved version. It includes many other aspects which are not associated, which are not connected or which are not included so far in the IPM. Let us include the inputs of natural farming in IPM to facilitate the Implementation of IPM. Natural farming is improved version of IPM in which no chemical is used and the improvement of soil fertility, humus, organic carbon, conservation of biodiversity, and other things like enhancement of microorganisms and microelements in the soil, multi-cropping in place of monocropping, crop rotation, and enhancement in the water level of the agro ecosystem. These are the and biodiversities. They are the areas which are these are the priority areas along with the use of IPM inputs in natural farming. It means that besides the IPM inputs, we can also include the natural farming inputs like Jivamrit, Ghanjivamrit, and many other plant waste or organic matter waste, cow or urine waste, and cow dung waste inputs. Natural farming and inputs can be made available at the farmer's doorstep as they can be made easily at the farmer's house or farmhouse. Whereas the non-availability of IPM inputs at the doorstep of the farmer is the major constraint for the implementation of IPM. There are many inputs, IPM inputs like biocontrol agents, biopesticide, different kinds of pheromone traps and pheromones, and different types of cages. They are the IPM inputs and they cannot be easily made available to the farmers as far they required a big laboratories for their production. So the government must establish the production agencies or production industries in parallel with the chemical industries, chemical pesticide industries, to ensure their availability or to ensure their supply at the doorsteps of the farmers for the easiest implementation of the IPM. So these are the few things which I would like to explain here for the implementation of IPM. Then I will, in the next video, I will explain about the ecological aspects of IPM or natural farming. Thank you very much.